Finding someone to create your business stationery designs. There are loads of business owners who are confused about their logos, brochures, and business cards. Let's take an example of David. He started his car recovery business and worried about his logo design. He contacted Navicosoft for logo design, and Navicosoft designed an amazing animation of a 3D logo design with an eye-catching visuals for his business. He then also hired Navicosoft for his Letterhead business card, notepads, and envelopes. Navicosoft designs the most creative and professional business stationery design for your business. We open up a massive world of design and creativity. We design customized business cards in all shapes and formats. We also design customized letterheads with well-presented letter envelopes and covers for professional marketing and branding. We also design CDs, paper holders, and multiple designs of letterheads. Navicosoft designs the whole package for your business stationery design with the most creative and professional look. Let's contact us and grab your perfect business stationery today.